Hey, bruh, I ain't gonna lie. Before FIFINE reached out and asked if I wanted to review their mic and audio interface, I was this close to buying this setup with my own money. This bad boy right here is the FIFINE AM8 XLR mic, and then they got the FIFINE SC3 audio interface right here. Fire. This is the combo that I was gonna purchase, bro. Then God works in mysterious ways, and he sent FIFINE to me, and they asked me if I wanted to review this. So you know your boy had to say yeah. Why? Because I've been wanting the XLR setup, bro, for so long. I'm just trying to upgrade like my audio when I'm streaming, even though I ain't streaming it because I'm a little bit scared. But y'all know what I'm saying. I want that streamer voice, that high quality podcast voice. And every time you get on YouTube and you look up XLR setups, bro, you got people with $400, $500 mics, $400, $500 mixers, interfaces, whatever you want to call it. And I'm like, chill, bro. I'm just trying to game and talk to the tech. I just want to fake it till I make it with great audio. You know what I'm saying? Now, when FIFINE hit me up, bro, I was like, oh yeah, most definitely I want to review that product. But here's the thing, bro. When I was going through YouTube, like looking at reviews literally on this combo, I was like, bro, I can't find the video that I like, that I want. So I'm gonna do that. I want to use this in a gamer streamer setup on OBS. You know what I'm saying? So what better way than to test this product than for me to throw it in the setup, throw it in the OBS and just show y'all how this stuff works. Now, I'm not gonna use no filters, no nothing. Directly plug and play right into the computer, right into the OBS, and just get it going. You know what I'm saying? So hey, we about to see, bro. We about to find out. Spoiler alert, spoiler alert. I already have been using it, so I know this bad boy is fire. You feel what I'm saying? Now, let me go ahead and matter of fact, let me just show y'all the buttons on this bad boy. So here go the buttons, bro. You got 48 V, don't really know what that means. Electric. So this right here is like auto tune, so you can get that T-Pain going. Then you got custom buttons right here. Then you can change the lighting or whatnot, blah blah blah. And then you got change voice, and then you got some more custom buttons. And then here you go, you got your little toggle switches where you can turn the volume up and down. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't really use this at all. Only thing I used a lot was the headphones when I was monitoring that bad boy. But other than that, bro, that's all this is. All this extra other stuff, I don't really know, because like I said, I'm new to this XLR game. All I want is some nice quality. So that's enough of me rambling right now. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna switch this over to my stream setup. You feel what I'm saying? Before I show y'all the little stream setup real quick, I gotta show y'all what this look like plugged in on the desk, because the lights is fire. You feel what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and move the camera. All right, here we go. As you can see, bro, as you can see, this bad boy look good on the colors, right or wrong. You can change these bad boys. Blue, this. They also got, like, you see how it's fading? All type of colors. Red, look at that. That's fire, right? It look good on the desk, especially if you like a new beginner, bro. I think it's fire. And if you hold it down, you can cut it off. You feel me? I think it's fire. And then the mic also got it. But I come to find out the only time you can really get the lights to come on here is if you plug it with the USB-C. So if you plug it directly in with the USB-C, then you can change the lights on here just like you can on there. But I'm XLRing it. That's the whole reason why I wanted to set up. So if you don't got an XLR, but you do want a cheap mic, you can also USB-C this bad boy and it still works right into the computer. You don't need an XLR, okay? But anyway, that's enough of me talking. Now I'm gonna switch to my OBS streaming setup. All right, this is what we get. I'm on my OBS. This is what my stream, gaming, just chatting scene will look like right now. I got my headphones in right now. I am monitoring my audio from the headphones. So everything is good, man. This is how it sounds. I got literally no filters on this mic. It is directly plugged straight in to the mixer, to the computer. No filters, no nothing. This is how it sounds straight out of the box. Plug and play directly. So how does this sound? Is it bad? Is it good? To me, I think it sounds pretty good, especially for $55. You know what I'm saying? But this is it. Like I said, this would be my just chatting scene. If y'all wanted to see what it looked like if I was like actually doing some type of gaming, I'm gonna show y'all that here. Boom. This is the gaming scene. Now you got me gaming. You know, I could move around. You know, do stuff. This is a little Arc Raiders. You know, I'm pretty trash at Arc Raiders. I don't play it often because I'm too trash at it. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, this is Arc Raiders. You know, I'm moving around with it. Raiders. This how it would look if I wanted to play a game, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, this it, man. So this the mic. Like I said, they do got different effects. The first one is electric, which is like auto tune. I call it the T-Pain voice, you know what I'm saying? So this is it right here. So this is one of them. This is me. Can you hear the auto tune? Another one. This This is the auto-tune. I ain't gonna continue to go through all these auto-tune voices because there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like 14 of these. Is it 14? 1, 2, 3. It's 12 auto-tunes. So I'm not finna go through all them. Y'all heard the auto-tune. Y'all can still hear the auto-tune right now, so I'm gonna turn it off. Auto-tune is off. Now we're gonna go over and do the voice changer, which is pretty cool because I keep looking over here because my OBS screen is set up over here. But the auto-tune voice changer, not the auto-tune voice changer, but the actual human voice changer. We got the first one is male.
This is male. How do I sound? Do I sound like a male? I think I don't sound like a male, but that's what they decided to call it.
You got female. This is the female voice. Do I sound like a female? How I sound, you know? I think it's kind of a little funny voice if y'all want to go that route for if you're streaming or gaming.
The second one we got is robot. Now, this is robot. Do I sound like a robot to y'all? You know? After robot, we got monster. Do I sound like a monster to y'all? Is this a monster? I mean, I guess it could be a good way monster, but back in the day, kind of voice of the dream or something, you know what I'm saying? Like a flashback. So we got the monster. And then we got
baby. I think baby might be my favorite, bro. Baby might be my favorite, cause if I get to talking, I'm like, baby. I think baby might be my favorite. You feel me? And the last one.
elder. Do I sound old? Do I sound like an elder? Huh? You know what I'm saying? That's this bad boy right here, dog. Hey. Fine. AM8 mic on that elder voice. Let me go back to the baby.
We got that FIFINE AM8 mic. It's one of them ones. How I sound on that baby voice. Alright, let me stop. I know y'all tired of it.
But yeah, man. So this is the mic in its all glory with the mixer included. So I mean, hey, what y'all think, bro? Do y'all messing with it? Is this good enough for y'all to know? Be like, all right, I gotta get that mic. You can get this whole setup for $105 pretty much, bro. Like, hey, that's fire. I'm digging it. So you new streamers, gamers, if y'all out there building a setup and y'all need a budget microphone, I think this is it. I think this is one of them ones, bro. Like, I like it a lot. I like it. I know y'all gotta like it. I just like changing the voice and all that, bro. Like, pick it up here. Y'all know this is that bad boy. The FIFINE AM8, baby. Is it? Yep. And like I said, I literally got no filters. So just imagine what this would sound like, you know, if I went and threw filters on it. It's decent, you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's it for this review. I just wanted y'all to get in here and listen to how the mic sound when you're talking and actually using it in the situation where you want to use it. Me, I was looking for reviews to show me how this sound in like an OBS setup in like a gaming situation, and this is it. So I like it, man. I definitely think it's worth it. If y'all think it's worth it, then cash out. I will leave links down in the description if you want these two items. And oh yeah, by the way, FIFINE did not pay me for this. They did not say, hey, you gotta say all good things. I could get in here and say this mic is trash if I wanted to. It's not trash. This is actually a good mic for new streamers, beginners, whatever you want to call yourselves if you're trying to get into this setup. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all too much longer, bro. I'm just really talking just so y'all can get an idea of how this mic sound, bro, because some of the reviews on YouTube don't talk like the whole time, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I've been using this mic at this setup this whole time. Plug and play, no filters. That's dope. But that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If you loved it, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram at aight. I also got a Twitch. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get into the streaming my games, but you know, I'm a little nervous doing that, bro. I got imposter syndrome. But if y'all want to support the Twitch, I'm gonna leave that link down in the description as well. It's also aight. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Holla.